Hi, and welcome to the User Training Guide for Founders. What are we going to go through today? Today, we're going to navigate the platform, see what you need to do to get the best investment opportunity, how to upgrade your plan, and how you can find the best investors for your business. Let's get started. So here we have the login screen. Simply go to login and enter your email and password. Perfect. Now we reach the dashboard. Here you can see the Valuation Monitor and Application Tracker. On the left, we have the dashboard, InvestPass, Valuation, Investors, and Deal Support. Let's start a new valuation today, from scratch. First, what best defines your business? Are you a startup or a scale-up? Please choose as appropriate. And for this tutorial, let's go with startup. Continue. Next, are you generating any revenue? If you have raised money before from a client, please click post-revenue. If you haven't, click pre-revenue. And in what countries are your headquarters? If you're based in the UAE, please click UAE or your respective country. And what business model does your company follow? If it's B2B, click that. Or if it's e-commerce, go ahead with that. Choose as appropriate to your business. And what industry is your business associated with? Again, if it's agribusiness, click that. There are icons for many things. And below, you'll see there are tags as well. So if you're in big data and you want to go ahead with big data, or even finance or ad tech, again, what is appropriate for your firm, please click that. Next, what stage is your business currently at? Is it just an idea, or is it fully functional? For this tutorial, let's click Established. And then in what year did your operation start? Simply choose as appropriate. And the following question is, what is your value proposition? So your value proposition is when you explain how your product solves customers' problems. There's a clear, accurate description here. If you need any help, if you have one already, just simply copy and paste it. Now we discuss market size. Please enter the volume size of your market. And next, please enter the value size of your market in your chosen currency. And then, how much competition do you have? Is it fierce, fair, or low? And then, please enter your competitor websites. For the tutorial, we'll enter competitor.com. But of course, choose a specific URL. And then here, you have the opportunity to add team members. There's a maximum of 3, and then enter the details as required. And then we move on to overall team size. How big is your firm? Next, what currency are you conducting business in? Please choose as appropriate. And now to financials. Please enter your projected revenue for the following 3 years. And then, how many customers are you expected? Again, for the following 3 years. And finally, what do your costs look like for the next 3 years on an annual basis? And how much cash do you have currently? And then, how leveraged is your business? Please enter how much you owe back to lenders. Then, what is the purpose of this valuation? Do you want to raise capital or sell the entire business? And now, how much funding are you looking to raise in this round? Then we move on to, how are you going to spend that cash? There's options: product, marketing, staffing, or even working capital. And you can enter the percentage as appropriate. Feel free to change it as well. Next, what funding structure do you prefer? Equity, safe note? Choose what you like. Then, how much equity are you willing to offer? A minority stake, majority stake, or even the entire business? Then, how much money have you invested yourself in the company so far? Then we move on to shareholders. What are the names and what are the percentage they hold in equity of the business. Finally, do you have a funding history? Then hit Get Equity Valuation. Amazing work. You're done. Now, let's get the valuation report. Here, we can now see a full detailed report of your investment opportunity with graphs and key data available for you to access directly in your InstaVal account. This is also known as the InstaPager. Now, we move on to the Invest Pass section. Here we can see the InstaPager, financial model, pitch deck, and elevator video. The InstaPage is a one-page report that we've just been through. The rest three are files that you will have to upload to make your investment opportunity more successful and more likely. After completing your InvestPass, we highly recommend you share your InvestPass and invite others to InstaVal to access your company, so you can have the best experience possible and have a successful fun around with InstaVal. After we are done with showcasing your company and profile, we want to engage you in the matchmaking process, where you can see potential investors that you can apply to directly on the InstaVal platform. You can view in a grid view or list view as you prefer, and you can also use our filters to find a more suitable investor for you. Now we can navigate back to our dashboard, and here we move on to the Valuation Monitor, where you can view your history of company valuations that InstaVal has generated for you. You can also switch to the Application Tracker tab, where you can view your past applications that you have submitted to investors, and you can also track the status. Now we move on to deal support. Our subscription does not include this. Let's upgrade our plan. But what is deal support? InstaVal is keen in offering its support to business founders through phone or meeting. We offer help with fair market valuation review, financial modeling and forecasting, go-to-market strategy, benchmarking analysis, along with fundraising tactics. Further, to guide you through the plans and payment process, we offer 4 different plans, so you can choose one that is best suited for you and your business. As a plan progresses in options, we offer increased business deal support and time on the platform. Once you have chosen your plan, you will have a chance to review your subscription plan and payment summary. Simply enter a promo code if you have one and hit confirm subscription. A secure payment portal will now load, where you can pay for your subscription to InstaVal in order to help grow your business. Here you have a chance to enter your payment information, and once reviewed, please hit Pay Now. Thank you for choosing InstaVal. We hope this tutorial has helped you navigate the platform better. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know through email.